Welcome to our exploration of Donald Trump's life, a journey marked by business triumphs, television fame, and a significant stint as the 45th President of the United States. From his early beginnings to his rise on the global stage, let's unravel the many facets of Trump's story. Trump's story begins in Queens, New York. His upbringing, steeped in the ethos of a real estate-focused family, and his education at the New York Military Academy laid the foundation for his business acumen. His time at the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania further honed his economic insights, paving the way for his entry into the competitive world of real estate and business. In his personal life, Donald Trump has experienced a journey as varied and intriguing as his career. His 3 marriages, to Ivana Trump, Marla Maples, and currently to Melania Trump, have each been unique chapters, contributing to his evolving public persona and personal life narrative. Trump's venture into television with The Apprentice marked a turning point, showcasing his flair for entertainment and media. This period heightened his celebrity status and introduced him to households across America, setting the stage for his eventual political aspirations. Speaking of leisure, Trump's affinity for golf is well known. His numerous golf resorts are a testament to his passion for the sport, offering a glimpse into his leisure pursuits and business interests beyond the skyscrapers and political arenas. Despite his life being an open book in many aspects, Trump's private moments and personal reflections remain largely out of the public eye. Behind the often controversial public figure lies a complex individual with his own set of personal challenges, victories, and contemplations. Trump's presidency, a pivotal chapter, was marked by significant policy decisions, unprecedented public engagement, and polarizing moments. His tenure in the White House was a time of notable change and fervent discussion, further solidifying his impact on American politics and society. As we conclude this exploration into Donald Trump's life, we're reminded of the complexities that define a person's journey. From real estate to reality TV, and from the boardroom to the Oval Office, Trump's path is a vivid illustration of a life lived in the relentless pursuit of success, influence, and recognition. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If not, you are fired!